Hello everyone, and this is iOS 8 Beta 2 review. So I'll show you around some bug fixes and specs that they have changed, some stuff that they have changed too. So first of all, they have a permanent podcast app that they made. So if you go, see if we can try to find it. Hopefully, because I don't like searching. There it is, podcasts. Let's see if it's permanent. Yep, it's permanent. You can see there's no X right there, no X. Cannot delete it. It's permanent. So that's one thing that they changed. In first iOS beta, that they didn't do that. You can delete it if you wanted to. Some more things is that on the iPod. So let me move this out of the way here. On the iPod, they have. I think they have. I submitted a bug report. Oops, sorry about that. Hopefully, I'll get closer here. There you go. So I did. I submitted a bug report. Um, for a glitch in the iPod iOS 8 software. It's a battery glitch. So up here in the corner, you can see the battery's practically mostly full. So let's go ahead and reboot it. And when I reboot it, I remember in the previous video of iOS 8 beta review, I rebooted it and it showed that the battery was practically dead, but it really wasn't. So it was a glitch in the battery symbol, battery like symbol of it kind of lies too. So let's go ahead and reboot it here. Whoops. Go ahead and reboot it. Let's give it a minute here. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. So let's see if they fixed it. It's the big moment. Why is it blurry like that? Sorry about that. Just trying to fix the stupid glare you can see. There we go. Should work a little bit better. Just let it come up. Trying to. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Alright, so there's a blank screen right now. It's coming up. So I logged the bug report. Oh, they did fix it. Nice. They really did fix it. Let me enter my passcode really quick. Alright. So they did fix the battery thing. It still says it's full, which is pretty cool. So I guess they did fix it. What I did is I logged the bug report in this app right here. Let's see if the camera will cooperate with me. There we go. So you can see there's a bug reporter. Let me go check my bug report right now. So if I go into let me go on my iPad. It's easier on my iPad. Switch over to my iPad really quick. Here it is. Okay, let's go into mail. I don't let you see my email either. Sorry. Quickly. Scrolling up, I have a ton of emails. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and redirect it here. I'm guessing that's what I should have done. Oh, there we go. Alright. Alrighty. So, it's gonna load up the thing, whatever it is, bug reporter. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the closed thing, something closed. It's taking forever. There we go. Oh, oh, there we go. Okay. So it's gonna say that's like a duplicate. Let me quickly. Why isn't it loading? It takes forever. There we go. So as you can see, woo, 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 woo. As you can see, I scroll down here. All right, and I posted here. Let's see if I can get closer here. I posted here that the battery life was glitchy on the iPod Touch. And then someone replied here, Apple Developer Relations Engineering has determined your bug report is a duplicate of another one and will be closed. And that report duplicate, yeah. XXX, I have no clue what that means. And if you can see, you can tell in the description what the heck this means. Maybe someone else submitted it and then they closed mine. Was that someone else submitted it first? I don't know. Yeah. That's one of the things I wonder about. Let's go back. Okay. So just to see, I'll show you here. I'm going into general. About is 8.0. 8.0 is right here, right until my finger. And if I go up here, back to general, software update, 8.0 again. Again, I'm running 8.0 beta 2. I'm really glad because they released another update. It was really bad the first version because it was so glitchy. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They made the podcast app permanent. I already showed you that. They just fixed some overall glitches that no one would like really notice, or maybe some file stuff, app crashes, something with FaceTime, camera, lag stuff. No, there's no lag. So if I go to FaceTime, you're going to see my Macintosh um, and I'm recording with. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Um, Yeah, so checking the App Store really quick. Oh yeah, I forgot to go into Safari here. Sorry. All right. So if I were to go to don't want to do that. Jesus God. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to click that X. You know what? Screw it, I'm done. All right. We'll look up this website. All right. So now Apple released iOS 8 Beta 2. Number of bug fixes, improvements to the operating system. One change will prevent Safari from redirecting ads to the App Store without user permission. In addition, Apple's mobile browser now has a new pinch to tab view. Downloaded apps will once again be sorted by the chronological order, which they say they were downloaded after switching to an alphabetical list at iOS 8 Beta 1. And QuickType Keyboard is available on iPhone with iOS 8. Zoom up here so you can see it a little better. iPhone with iOS 8 now gains support for iPad models except for the Apple iPad 2. The brightness button was disabled in the first beta. Now is enabled once again. And the icons, I wonder why the brightness button was disabled. That's really weird. Now, and the icons for the camera and button which was disabled. The first, oh, whoops, I read the same line. Sorry. Um, and the icons for the camera and microphone and messages is now gray instead of blue. A new all messages red button has been added. Um, New allow notifications button for each app is offered. I'm only going to read this last paragraph, then I'll post this link in the description so you can see it too. The users can mute notifications each app on an individual basis. Previously, you could only disable the notification setting for all the apps at one time. Those who keep an obsessive look at their battery usage will be happy to find a new feature on the battery usage by app menu. I saw that also. I'll show you that in a minute, which shows you what percentage of your battery life was used when your device. So it basically tells you how much battery is your apps are using. So let's go into there. So go into general, back to general. Let's go into, let's see, usage, oh, no, wait, sorry. There we go. Here we go. All right, so you can see that in here, you can see Safari is used 51%, home and lock screen 38%, App Store 8%, backup restore 1%, calendar 1%, and Hungry Shark 1, this is a game, another 1%. So you can see that in the last 7 days, Safari, blah, 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 contacts, calendar, backup, whatever. Yeah, so that's a new feature, new page in the settings. You can see what apps are using what battery, how much battery life. Same with the Samsung thing. It's already been integrated in the feature of Android. Um, so you can see here if I go into settings, just get this out of the way really quick. So you say you can go into settings on Android or on Samsung, and then you can go into my device. You can do this display, I think. Oh, here we go, battery. And you can see what applications are using what battery, how much battery. Android system is using the most, which is 25%. Screen is 18. Android Core apps is 10. Android OS is 9. Let's see. Android Wear Preview is 8. Google Services 5, and Google Gear Fit Manager is 4, and then Com Androids, whatever it is, messaging is 2. Yeah. So show battery percentage, I can do that. I like the battery percentage, obviously. As I know, I'm running Android 4.4 KitKat. That's on Samsung Galaxy S4, just so you know. Yeah. So now let's go back to the iPad. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. So now you can go into usage, see usage standby, since last full charge, blah blah blah, doesn't list it. Let's see if I go back. I go to wow, I say it's been pushed out for devices most likely September, so it's coming in September. I'll keep you guys updated. So as you can see, I told you podcast app is permanent, you cannot delete it. If you go in here, next picture, if this works, yep. So you can do my purchases and you can see different, whatever it is, different purchases you have. iCloud photos, I don't know, oh my god. So that's a new feature also. And then there's changes in iOS 8 Beta 2, Notification Center, You can also have different messages delete after a certain amount of time. So, like, say you're texting your friend John, like Joe or something like that, and you say hi, and then that was you said hi like 30 days ago. You can set it to delete the message in 30 days, for example. I don't know what it is. We'll check again. So you can have a delete messages. That's another feature. And then battery usage, I just showed you that. So let's go back into settings. Let's go into messages. Let's go, I think, I'm not sure. Oh, here, store messages, 30 days, forever, or 1 year. So you can see, ooh, whoops, sorry about that, stupid cover. You can see that there's 30 that you can store messages. First, in order to get here, you go under messages, store messages, which is all the way in the bottom, right here. Click that, and then it will say forever, 30 days, or 1 year. Say I do want 30 days, and I'll delete after 30 days, however messages. I like forever. If you want to keep them forever, whatever, it's your choice. I don't really care. Just show you this new feature also. Let's go back really quick. Actually, that's it on the website. I'll post a link in the description. That's pretty much it on iOS Beta 2 review plus specs. I'll do another video on Beta 3 and so on. So that's pretty much it on iOS Beta 2, iOS 8 Beta 2. So that's pretty much it. So goodbye and see you later.